I'm saying words that I'm not used to. Thank you so much for coming. They have already gotten plugged into the community and are going full steam. We see them at all the community events. You are one of us already, so we welcome you. But we want to have this great ribbon cutting to help you celebrate your official grand opening. And I am going to turn it over to Michelle Hambrick, one of our board members, and she will handle the ceremony.
So good afternoon, everybody. Thank you all for being here to celebrate this new business. Before we get started, I want to recognize just a couple of people that are in the room. I'm going to start with Councilmember Andrew Evans, who is here, and I hear a former client or a current client.
Tester.
And we also have some ambassadors in the room. So if you're an ambassador, let's hear who you are and give everybody a wave and let them know what business you represent.
Oh, hey, Jeff Croswell with Everett Jones.
Paula Ward with Paula Ward Photography. Heather with Burn Bootcamp Little Elm.
Brian Church with Restoration 1.
All right, and you also have a couple of board members in the room. I'm Michelle Hambrick, but we also have
Raymond Longstreth, Point Bank.
any other board members? Awesome, that is everybody. So we don't take this as something lightly. When a new business decides to join the chamber, it really means a lot to us. And so we hope that we give you back as much as you have given to us. We're going to now give you an opportunity to introduce your staff and tell us a little bit about your business and what it is you exactly do here.
Sure. Well, thank you, and thank you for the entire chamber and all our guests here today. We really appreciate y'all coming out and participating in this. It's been a bit of a journey for us to get to this point. I mean, we started back in June of last year with a core team using some temporary space across the street, and it's through the hard work of the team that we have here that we've made it to this part of the journey, and we're looking forward to the journey forward. But starting on the end, we've got Joanne Tyler. She's amazing. She is a strategist. She comes to us from a prior studio. She helps us and leads all the sales side of things, and she's been part of the team since the beginning as well. Appreciate you being here. We've got Destiny. Destiny's our store manager. She does a great job. Worked with her for 8 years in my prior business that I owned, and we're thrilled to have her as a part of the team. And she just got married, so she's glowing a little bit. And she's got kind of a little trip coming up tomorrow early morning, so we wish her the best on that excursion with some family friends. We got Terrence is next over. He joined us. He's our second. Oh, I passed Lori. Let me go back to Lori. Sorry, Lori. Lori on the end here just is our newest member of the team. She's going through the training and certification. We're really excited to have her here. She's going to be a great part of the team. And then Terrence, Mr. White Shirt Body20, is great having him on the team. He's our second most junior, but picking up on things well, and we're glad to have him as a part of the team as well as one of our trainers here. My wife Vanda over here is she's a co-owner with me. She keeps me straight, and she's brilliant and does an amazing job in the corporate world. And at some point, I think we'll get further entrenched in the Body20 world.
Very good.
Very, very proud of Joel and the team. They've done an amazing job. Amazing job.
Well, as my chamber friends love to say, your business is our business, and so if there's anything that any of us can do for you, please pick up the phone and call. Don't sit and wonder. This little black book has business cards of many of the businesses that are represented here today, so if there's something that you need or a question that you have, any of the people here should be able to help you.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate that. And I do appreciate all the support that we've had. I mean, it's been amazing how warm, almost like a small town, but one that's growing by design. I mean, that's what kind of we look at, I've looked at Body20 as, is a community that's preserving the best of its past, and at the same time, with the right leadership in place, has been able to grow, but with still with that warm and caring and small town.
Say that part one more time.
So it's to y'all's credit, because that happens by design. That's not by accident. So, and we tried to preserve that within the team here to try to build a community where our members are our family, and that we celebrate their goals. We talk to them about their goals, and when they achieve them, you know, it's a combined victory for all of us. So, and we appreciate the early on adopters that we had that were part of the chamber community that joined us or tried us and participated in the workouts here at Body20. So it's been a great journey, and we're looking forward to the future as well.
And expect a phone call, because now that I have everybody's phone number, you guys come back in if you haven't already to come try us out.
Yeah, I will have
will
this
not miss
for all
that
of about 30
opportunity.
seconds.
And you said to call, so I will be calling.
I am pretty sure you've already called him.
I know, you're killing me.
Now you do 1, 2, 3. Now you have to cut it. 1, 2, 3.
I wanna look at that body. Look at that body.